channel, you guys. Today is a sponsored video featuring Arabella hair. Now they did send me a 13x4 ombre brown, which is also known as a 1B27 22-inch naturally straight unit. Now what I decided to do with this unit, you guys, I did decide to go ahead and curl it. On this side it definitely held the curls a little more. I'm not sure what happened on this side. I will say the curls fell a little bit on this side, but it's a little more curled than this side. Make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so every time I post you don't miss an update.
Thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent, baby. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around, baby. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I'm so into you. I'm so into you. Oh, I'm so into My love is blind, can't you see my desire? Like a moth to a flame burned by the fire. My love is blind, can't you see my desire? The way that you hold me could be the things that you say. Oh, I'm not too sure what it is, boy. But no, I'm feeling this way. Hey, truly something special. My dreams are made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around. Oh, baby, really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it.
Alright, you guys, so let's just jump right into this unit. So I really love how the unit turned out despite of the curls falling on this unit. I do think the unit held the curls for just a little bit. I did have to go ahead and recurl it, and as you guys can see, they still fell. This unit is very like yucky, you guys. It's more so on the natural side. Now normally I feel like yucky units take the hair as far as heat and everything. I thought it would take it, you know, just a little better than it actually flat ironing. But the curls definitely still do fall. I think if you want to curl this hair, you'll definitely have to use lots of spritz or some got-to-be glue just to hold the curls. Now, as I stated in the beginning, I did want to go ahead and layer it so that it can just have more volume in the unit. This unit is so thick, you guys. This is very full, which is not a bad thing. So when you curl it, you're probably, I don't know, you probably gonna have to take your time. When I curl hair, I don't really like to do it in little sections and all that. I don't like to take too much time curling because I don't think it takes all that. But this one you may have to take a little bit more time because as you can see, those curls will fall. As far as this lace goes though, you guys, this lace lays down so well. Like, I love this lace, okay? This lace blends so good, and I did go ahead and decide to bleach the knots. Then I'll also put a little bit of mascara on the roots just so that I can I'll cover the part that I over bleached, because I did over bleach it just a little bit. But I figured, because when I first got this unit, it was more so of a clear lace, so I wasn't sure if it was going to take the bleaching or not. Sometimes, depending on how hard the lace is and how clear it is, it doesn't always take the bleach. When I bleached it, it did take very well, and I over bleached it just a little. I did go ahead and do some baby hairs. Now, I initially had cut some baby hairs on the sides, but since I did a middle part to this, and you know, the hair is actually covering it, baby hairs were very, very easy to pull out. You guys, despite of this hair being yucky, it's super easy to pull them out. And I did do some slight plucking as well, just so that it can look natural coming out of the scalp. Out of this, I did do some pre-prepping, you guys, because again, this unit does take a little bit more work than most units. Like I said, you guys, this hair is really, really thick and full. And then also the lace, you want to make sure that you bleach it, and also you may want to pluck it just a little bit, just so that when you pull out those baby hairs, it can look like it's coming straight out of the scalp. But I'm telling you guys, despite the fact that these curls fell, let me tell y'all, I really, really like how I layered it. Like, it looks really, really good. Like, as far as any tangling or any shedding, now you guys, for this unit to be really full, it does not shed at all. I can definitely tell you that. So this will be the end of this video today, guys. Make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit in your post notification bell, so every time I post, you don't miss an update. Make sure you like this video, comment below, share, and I will see you guys on my next one.